In this video, I will teach you how to create this 3D gradient character animation using the Alight Motion app. Alright, on the Alight Motion app, click on the plus button below. So I will set my project name to be Reactive Gradient Character. I'll set my aspect ratio to be 4:5. Then I will select black and click on create project. So guys, this is what you're gonna get. So now we will have to start by creating a character. So to create a character, you click on the plus button below. Now add a circle shape. At this point, go to move and transform. So click on scale and expand it like this. Now bring it down. Guys, you get my point. So what you need to do next is for you to click on this navigation button. Now go to color and fill. At this point, you'll have to click on gradients because we need to add gradients to it. So on the black color, tap on it here. So we're going to select red. Now on the white here, tap on it. We are going to select black. Guys, I believe you get my point. Then you're going to do the adjustment. Alright, so when this is done, click on the navigation button. Now go to effect and add effect called inner glow. Inner glow. Alright, so click on inner glow. Click on standard settings. So you're gonna have something like this. At this point, you'll have to increase the radius. You can leave it at 80 or 85. Now you need to reduce alpha. You can leave between 25 and 30. Now hardness, you have to reduce it to 0. Now set the color to the red you are using. At this point, you click here and then make the red a little bit brighter. So when this is done, the next thing for you to do is to duplicate this circle. So now tap on the circle, one copy. Go to move and transform. Now drag it up like this. Guys, I believe you get my point. At this point, go to scale and reduce the size. So when that is done, click on this navigation button. Now go to effect. Click on the inner glow. At this point, you'll have to reduce the radius. So you can leave it at 50. At this point, we will have to add the eyes. So tap on this navigation button. Now click on the plus button and add another circle shape. Now go to edit shape and go to Y to reduce it like this. Guys, I believe you get my point. So when this is done, you can now change the color to white. At this point, you'll have to duplicate this particular layer. So bring it somewhere here. Now you'll have to group the two eyes. Click on the first one here at the top. Now tap on the group. Go to move and transform, bring it up. Just like this. So guys, you've gotten the eyes. So when this is done, it's time to make the character move the eyes. You get my point? So I'm going to show you how to do that with a simple shape. So I'll tap on this navigation button. So at this point, I'll click on this plus button, then I'll bring in a shape. So I just added this shape. So I'll go and change the color. So I like this particular color. Then tap on the navigation button. Now go to move and transform. Place the shape at the center of the eyes. So I'll leave mine here. Now go to the Z property of this particular layer. At this point, you are going to reduce it to -1000. So we can leave it right there. You get my point? So what you are going to do next is to come down to scale. Now you are going to reduce it. Reduce the size. Then make sure you position it where it was supposed to be. That's the middle of the eyes. Go back to the Y property and you bring it down like this. Alright, so we are going to leave it right here. So the next thing for you to do is to tap on this navigation button right here. Now you will have to add null to this. So click on the plus button. Now go to object and elements, click on it. Now tap on null. So first of all, you will tap on the shape and bury it on the null. Then you go to group and also bury it also at the null. You get my point? So now tap on the null layer. Go to move and transform to see if the eye is going to go towards where the star shape is going. So look at it there. Guys, you get my point. So when that is done, guys, we are good to go. Alright, so what we are going to do next is to animate the null layer. So you're going to tap on the null layer right here. Now go to move and transform. You get my point. So you're going to add keyframe at the beginning of this null layer, just like this. Then you move the video somewhere towards 1.20 seconds and add another keyframe. You get my point. Depending on how you want it to move. So at this point, we are going to move this like this. We're going to drop it somewhere there. Then go to the second keyframe. Go to second keyframe. Then we're going to drag it like this. Or depending on where you want it to look at. So if you are playing the video, you're going to have something like this. Guys, you get my point. And this is nice. So this is perfect. So now to make the eyes blink, you get my point. So you're going to tap on the eyes group layer. Now go to move and transform. You get my point. Now go to scale. When you go to scale, you will have to click on this button here to unlink the height and the width. This button right here. You get my point. So now we are going to add keyframe. It depends on where you want to add your own keyframe, but you can add keyframe anywhere. So from here, I will decide to add my own somewhere here. So I'm going to add keyframe right here. Then I'll move the video a bit. Then I'll add another keyframe. Then I'll still move it a bit. Then I'll add another keyframe. That's 3 keyframes. Now I'll go to the middle keyframe just like this. Now tap on the height and reduce it to 0. Then if you are to play the video, you're going to have something like this. You get my point. So you can decide to blink the eyes from the beginning, depending on you get my point. So let's just do that. You can just come here, go to scale, you add keyframe right here, you move a bit, add another keyframe, move a bit, add another keyframe. So the middle keyframe, on the middle keyframe, you go to height and reduce to 0. Now click on OK. So if you are to play the video, you're going to have something like this. You get. So it blinks 2 times. So guys, this is how to create this reactive gradient animation through Alight Motion app. So guys, do well to like and comment. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. You get my point. So look at justice. So we are not going to do much again. We are going to export this video to our gallery. So see you in our next video. Ha 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 ha.